Hi everyone, I'm Siuk from One Stop Solution, and in this video, I will show you how to find recycle bin on iPhone. Knowing this can help you recover deleted files, photos or notes that you may need later. So let's get started. First, open the Files app on your iPhone. Tap on the Browse option from the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, you can see the recently deleted option. Tap on it. Now you can view all the files, photos or notes that have been recently deleted. And this is how you can find recycled bin on iPhone. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.